Join me and learn how to work the slip slip knit. It's a left leaning decrease that pops up in patterns all over the place. Let's get started. In this video we're going to talk about a left leaning decrease called slip slip knit. Now you'll see it written in a pattern as SSK, and this is what it looks like when it's knitted, and I'm showing you this on a sock because it's very often used whenever you need the decreases to sit lying to the left as opposed to the knit two together which lies to the right. So I've got a piece of stocking stitch here and I'm just going to show you how to work the slip slip knit. So you knit first of all to the place where you want the slip slip knit to be. Let's say it's in the middle there. So I happen to be working in stocking stitch, so I'm just going to knit on the right side here as I'm going along. And let's say that here is where we want the slip slip knit to work. And so we're going to decrease these two stitches to 1 and they're going to lean to the left. So the first thing we do is we slip these two stitches. Now you don't slip them together, you slip them one by one from the left needle onto the right. So we lift up, slip, slip. So now both stitches are sitting on the left hand needle, and then we're going to knit them together. I'm going to put my left needle tip underneath the front of both of those two stitches and then bring the yarn around and knit them together. Now you can just see there in the knitting those two stitches knitted together and they're leaning off to the left. So I'm just going to do a couple more stitches and we'll do that one again. You can actually see there with a bit of, after a couple of stitches, how it's leaning to the left and those two stitches have come into one. So let's do it again. So we slip the two stitches one by one from the left to the right. 1, 2. That's the slip slip. And then we take the left needle point, we put it underneath the fronts of the two slip stitches like that. And then we bring the yarn around and knit them together. And that, let's put one stitch there so you can see, and that's how we work a slip slip knit. And again you can see there's the first one, there's the second one. They're a left leaning decrease, and that's a slip slip knit. I'll just do one more at the end here to show you. So I'll just knit a normal stitch, and then we take these two stitches. I'm going to go slip, slip, then take your left needle tip underneath the two stitches, bring the right yarn round and knit them together. Just knit that last one so I can show you. So you can see there are 3 there. There's the first one, the second one, and then the third one just there. So that is called slip slip knit. It's a left leaning decrease. So that's how you do the slip slip knit. It's a very useful little bit of knitting shorthand to know. So if you've got any other little stitches that you don't know how to do, leave me a comment, tell me what they are, and we'll record them for you. Don't forget to subscribe for lots more fun and crafty videos. Happy knitting!